Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Meat doesn't just dry out when it's overcooked, it actually tightens. But what's really happening inside to make it tough? Today, we're breaking down the science of tenderness, how muscle fibers, fat, and connective tissue react to heat, and why just a few extra minutes can turn juicy meat into something chewy. When meat cooks, it starts out tender and moist, but push it too far, and the texture changes fast. The surface dries, the fibers shrink, and the whole piece becomes firmer. That's why overcooked meat feels dense and rubbery. The structure literally contracts. Meat is made of muscle fibers, protein, water, and connective tissue. As the temperature rises, the proteins in those muscle fibers begin to denature. They unwind and then tighten. This forces water out, leaving the meat drier and tougher. At the same time, connective tissue called collagen starts to shrink around 60 degrees Celsius. If the heat keeps climbing quickly, collagen tightens before it has time to break down into gelatin, making the meat even chewier. Slow cooking gives collagen time to melt. For tender meat, cook low and slow for tough cuts, and use quick, controlled heat for lean ones. Resting meat after cooking makes it juicier. The fibers relax, and some of the expelled moisture gets reabsorbed. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.